Hello everyone, welcome to Bazigha's Learning Garden, a happy place where learning grows every day. Today we listen to a short moral story. Through this story, we learn the present simple tense, which we use to talk about daily actions and habits. Let's enjoy the story. A farmer lives in a small village. He owns a small piece of land. Every day he goes to his field in the morning. The farmer plants seeds in the soil. He does not water the plants properly. He does not remove the weeds from the field. He thinks the crops grow on their own. Nearby, another farmer works carefully. He waters his plants daily. He removes weeds on time. He protects his crops from animals. After some weeks, the crops grow. The careless farmer sees weak plants. His field gives very little crop. He feels sad and worried. The hardworking farmer gets healthy crops. His field gives a good harvest. He feels happy and thankful. The careless farmer understands his mistake. He learns an important lesson. Moral of the story: what you sow, so shall you reap. Dear children, always do your work with care and honesty. Good actions being good results in life. If you like this story, please like, share, and subscribe to Bhaskars Learning Garden for more stories and learning fun.